Hi, hello, namaste, adab. So myself, TMA Bhanu, I'm financial accounting faculty in shikharatutorials. Today, I'm coming up with the great news regarding to the TMA Inter Financial Accounting revision classes. So where the classes will be available, sir, means the classes will be available on YouTube live classes. So the classes will be started from tomorrow onwards. The date is 8th October 2025. So what you are going to provide in these classes, sir? Revision means not a revision, amma. This is like a EVO batch. So exclusive of 50 hours, I'm going to discuss. Daily, I will come on 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. The section will be there. In this section, you can participate in the YouTube channel. These are the free classes. There is no fee for that. So I will start with the basics. Those who don't know about the accounts also can come to this class. Especially why I am discussing these basics means in order to understand my style. That's all. So without these basics, we cannot done anything. For that reason, I am going to start with the basics. In these basics, I will discuss about the types of accounts. What are the types of accounts means debtor account, creditor account, asset account, expenditure account, income account. Not only these accounts, I will discuss these accounts with a converting. We can utilize these accounts easily in the NPO, single entry. Not only if you know these accounts, easily you can do the branch accounts also. So next, with the help of these types of accounts, I will start the discussion with the single entry. As we all know, from the single entry, you will get 14 marks. And next, I will discuss about the NPO. So we are not going to leave the NPO, ma. So the most important area of NPO, they may give this attempt NPO only. Okay, na? So next one, insurance claims, a very most important concept of 7 marks. So insurance claims and branch will get in a same question. For that reason, after completion of single entry, I will discuss straight away the branch. So in the branch itself, I will try to explain about the AS11 also, because when coming to the foreign branch, the important concept is AS11, AS11 effects of changes in foreign exchange rates. Next, I will discuss the departmental accounts because they may ask in the examination. And then I'm going to concentrate on standards. So AS10, AS12, AS19. So AS19 with leasing, the extra sums which was added in the board book, I will discuss those sums also, no problem. And next, AS1 disclosure of accounting policies and AS22 accounting for taxation. Then after, the most important area, I will love the area is called as subsidiary books. Why I am discussing the subsidiary books means, without the subsidiary books, you cannot understand the rectification of errors. If you listen my class of the subsidiary books, easily you can do the rectification of errors. Easily we can get the 7 out of 7 marks in the examination. Definitely, I will damn sure I'm saying you will get 7 out of 7 marks if you attend these sections regarding to the rectification of errors. And next, bill of exchange, a most important concept, consignment, joint venture, BRS. Not only this thing, you may think like that, where is the partnership? Where is the partnership? Partnership is right behind you itself. So I will discuss the introduction to the partnership, introduction, admission, retirement, admission come retirement, death, dissolution, amalgamation. Last but not the least, the very important section is MCQs. If you attend this MCQ section, definitely 30 out of 30 marks you are going to score. Definitely, I will write to you if you want to bring the agreement also. Definitely, you will get 30 out of 30. No, totally 15 MCQs you will get from this discussion itself, because I have included all the MCQs which was released by the icmai. Not only this inter MCQs, I also incorporated the foundation MCQs also, because the basics are very important role. For that reason, I will discuss the basics and I will more concentrate on section second question, third question, fourth question, and I will even concentrate on all the questions also. Definitely, if you want, you can listen all the concepts. So please remember the time, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. daily. The schedule will be end up with 29th October. Still, from there also, you are going to have one more month. So, and again, I am going to release the marathon also. You can see that one. So, in which channel these all the classes will be available, sir. These classes are all available in our shikharatutorials channel. So, please subscribe this channel. And what are the main key points, sir? Means, so revise, recollect, and rise. The most important thing is when coming to the financial accounting, it is a vast syllabus because including the basics they will ask. Some of the members may leave the basics, some of the people may leave the partnership like that. We should not leave all the concepts like that, Amma. So we should have at least some idea about all the concepts. So for that reason, I'm not going to leave each and every point. So I will discuss the each and every point. So the class timing is 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. daily. So 2 to 3 hours will be the game changer for you. So if you want more details, you can contact this number 630-990-1213. So please subscribe the channel. So totally in how many hours I'm going to discuss, Amma? 50 hours. So how I'm going to revise? I will discuss the concept and I will discuss the questions. I will discuss the important question and I will discuss the board book released questions. All the questions it will be covered. So, but one thing you need to be of listening of this class, you need to complete the chapter in that day itself. Okay, na? So this is the most important point. So classes will be completed on 29th October. So this is the more details regarding to the revision classes. These are not the revision classes, EVO classes. It will definitely help you. So how many marks I'm going to get if I attend this section means definitely you are going to get 70 plus marks because I'm not leaving any concept. If you learn, if you practice well and good, you will get 80 marks also. Okay now. So damn sure I'm saying those who people have attended these sections, so definitely they will get the 70 plus marks. So why are you waiting? So please subscribe the Shikharatutorials channel and rock the section. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.